Hey guys, it is Monday here in West Virginia, so it's time for us to do our Mopar Monday. That's why we are here in front of Mr. Norm's Grand Spalding Dodge. And today we're going to be unboxing a couple of Greenlight B-bodies, a couple of 1969 Chargers, because I'm lacking those in my collection. Actually, the ones I have most of, as you can see in front of you, are the 71s. But they are pretty plentiful. There's two companies that make decent ones. That is Greenlight and M2. I think Greenlight does the best, but M2s are not bad because, like, there's an M2. These are all, the rest of them are Greenlight, but the M2 fits in perfect. Sizes and everything seem to be pretty accurate on both. But I was lacking the second gen chargers. I think I have two 68s, and I had 169 and 370s. So today we're taking a look at these two guys here. So we will have two more 69s, and these are newer releases, and they were still pretty reasonable. I think the blue one you could pick up for about $7 on eBay if you shop around. The orange one's getting a little bit harder to find. It's usually about $8 or $9, but I look for this one to go up pretty soon because it's getting harder and harder to find. The blue one's still plentiful, but yeah, one day it'll be the same. Blue one we'll start with. This is from your Barrett-Jackson series, the 50th anniversary of Barrett-Jackson, and it's series 11, and it's a B5 blue 69 Charger with a black top and black interior. And there's some facts on the back, but I'm not going to go over them. It's just, this sold for $117,700, and it's only a 383 Charger. That's crazy. But yeah, the Mopars are getting super desirable nowadays. Yeah, this is a newer release, as you can see here, 2022. So, anyways, let's get him off the card, or out of the pack, and take a look at him. Not really a card, it's a clamshell package, and I've already cut around the back of the package as I usually do. Oh, camera bump there. And, anyways, it doesn't look bad with the Kragers. I mean, I have nothing against Kragers. It's actually one of my favorite wheels to go on a muscle car from like the 60s and 70s. But because of my theme with my dealership, I'm trying to make everything like bone stock, original Mopar, like all OEM Mopar stuff. But it's a 69, and the dealership theme is supposed to take place in like summer of 71. So yeah, somebody might have bought Kragers for their 69 and traded it in for a 71 Challenger or something. So it'll do for now. They do have those wheel kits you can get from Greenlight. As you've seen in one of the videos I've done in the past couple of weeks was a black 70 Charger from Supernatural, and I took the Mopar Rallies from the Mopar set and put on it. But those are the only classic wheels. All the other ones are for modern SRT stuff. But they make a set of wheels for Dodge, and it's the same thing. You get a set of Magnum 500 style wheels, and all the other ones are modern day wheels. But I may pick one of those up one day and put the Magnums on this. Who knows? I think it looks pretty good the way it is, though. Probably won't mess with it. So these do have opening hood. Yeah, as you can see, it's just your basic engine 383. And this is another thing against Greenlight, I will say, is the motor looks way too small for the car. Not all of them are like that, but these old second-gen Chargers definitely are. They do a great job with the car, though, with the detail, with the grill, split grill, hideaway headlights, your front valence, the marker lights, your horizontal bumper, rectangular marker lights, and then your rectangular tail lights. In the first year to bring those out, in 68 they were round to kind of correspond with the marker lights. They were also round. And you have your reverse lights and the rear valence, exhaust tips, Nice looking car. Really nice looking car, actually. Do I recommend it? Yes, I do. I think it's one of the better looking ones out there. It's actually the only second gen that we have to choose from unless we buy Hot Wheels. Nobody else makes a second gen Charger, unfortunately, in 1/64th. So here's one that I hesitated on until I got a better look at it because I didn't want any Goodyear livery on the car. And there's not even any kind of decals in the windows, which is really good. And another thing that's kind of strange about this one is it's facing the other way in the package. Most Greenlights are facing the other way with the driver's door showing. This is facing like a Hot Wheels product with the passenger side showing. So this one does run the Magnum 500 style wheels with Goodyear white letter tires. And it has the white tail stripe, a white top, and also the white stripes like highlighting the scallops on the door. I don't know if that's a factory stripe or not. That's one thing you don't see too often, are those stripes all around the little vents, scallops, whatever you want to call them. So let's flip it around, take a look, and there is the ad, Wide Boots GT, and that's kind of funny. We just unboxed the Wide Boots GT 67 Camaro from M2 with the Autofigs set about a week ago. So there's a Charger in the ad, and then there's a Camaro in the ad for M2. So pretty cool. And anyways, let's get this thing opened up and take a better look at it. And this one is numbered. And it's under 1,000, 922. Not sure how many were made. It is a hobby exclusive. That's probably why it's numbered. I don't know if the regular releases, like the international release, that's not so exclusive, if they're still numbered or not. But I guess the hobby exclusive stuff is. So as you can see, it's Goodyear. Wide track, white letter tires. And these are really nice looking cars. And this one looks like I tried to sport the Hemi with the black valve covers. You could see, usually that's how they indicate that it would have a Hemi. But once again, it's a little bit tiny for the car, but it's okay. I don't open the hoods much on them anyways. I have one of my 70s on display with the hood open, but the 70 has a decent looking engine, or at least the air cleaner on it for like the dual quad Hemi. It looks good. It looks like scale correct for 1/64th. Same detail as the blue one. Nice color combo, not one that you see too often. High impact white top, although we do have a couple in my lot over there. We have the 70 that's the Moulin Rouge with a white top, and then we have a 69 Daytona that's pink with a white top, but that's actually not a factory color pink. It's actually one M2 did for breast cancer awareness, and as you can see, it's over there, right there. So anyways, that's it for our 269s today. They're taking their place in the lot for a while until we decide to switch it up with some other cars. But yeah, my theme was to kind of go all high impact as much as possible, and I think I've succeeded with that, even with the pickup trucks in the back. Since the sign says Dodge cars, Dodge trucks, I had to throw a few trucks in there, and I think it is pretty well laid out pretty well, I would say. But anyways, guys, that's it for the 69s. That's it for our Mopar Monday. We'll be back again tomorrow with a Truckin' Tuesday. And yes, it's going to be, well, actually, maybe not Mopar trucks, because we have gotten some other trucks in. So it'll be a surprise tomorrow. So anyways, guys, be sure to tune back in for tomorrow's video. And if you haven't done so yet, please subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you know when we do launch a new video. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the start of your week.